Here I have LENOVO Tab 4 and let me show you how to enable backup option on the following device. So at the very beginning tap apps icon, then from the following list choose settings. So here you need to scroll down and under personal let's choose backup and reset. Let's enable the backup my data right here. Here we've got the appropriate switcher. Let's go back and then you need to set the backup account. So now if you have added some Google accounts you can use them, if not let's choose add account. The phone is checking info. It's important to have the internet access right now. And now you can do it in two ways. You can create a new account or you can use the existing Google account. In my case, let me use the existing one. So let me just input my email right here. Let's tap next. Let's enter your password. Let me do it. Alright, now you can choose next right here. Let me agree terms and conditions and privacy policy. Let me also allow the automatically backup to device data to Google Drive, and that's it. Just enable backup my data and add necessary backup account. So everything went well. Now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.